Just a quick one here. I'm at a client's house, and this is an electrical wire that actually goes to the outside. Show you the outside. This is the control panel for the door phone, and they had to upgrade them and put new ones in. The old one, the electrical was carried by the small little wires to the panel, but the new one, it runs on 100 volt. So the company came, and against her wishes, actually she had expressly told them not to do this, they put the wire mold, like that stuff there and there, and they put it just up the wall here. And she was quite upset about it. And the reason why they did that was they couldn't fish the wire through because of this blocker board in here. The thing was, we were doing a renovation at the time, and we were doing all new wallpaper, so it was a perfect opportunity for them to just cut a hole in the wall like I'm doing and make the wire fit. So that's what I've done. I had to cut a hole down here too because I just could not fish that wire up there. And this here I have to leave it with the wire mold because that's concrete. This is drywall. So anyways, I'm going to button this up now, and I'll show you when I'm done. So that one's done, and that one's done. I'm going to just temporarily glue the wallpaper back so it looks better. But we have the wallpaper guy will be coming, I think, next few days to, he's going to put a little putty on here, and then he'll fix this. I'm not sure what he can do with that wire mold. He'll have to work around it. The wire is just like literally half an inch long enough to do the job that it does, and I don't have any extra wire today, so Ken the wallpaper guy's gonna have to deal with that. But there's one piece of wallpaper here that he has to replace. The company that did this poor install is paying for that, and I'm fixing their mistake because it's what I do. If it hadn't been for all this glue from the double-sided tape on here, I could have fixed this, you know, because I mean, you just glue this back in place and put some caulking on there, and it literally disappears if you're good, and I'm pretty good at it. But there's a hole here and the glue, so they're just going to replace the piece of wallpaper. Oh, that's it. There's a hole there and that mess there, and you can sort of see this, but this is temporary. The wallpaper guys come in to fix it. So anyways, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.